1 cup semolina, 1 cup sugar. 1 cup GATE, 3 cups milk. Dry fruits, aloe, tulsi leaves, kesar.
Guys, we can check is our ghee is heated well or not. We can put some suji like this. If we found, you can see it's well heated. So we can put all of this suji, and meanwhile I'm heating up the milk with some 1 spoon of ghee. Mix well. So we are saying in Hindi that अगर आँखों को पसंद आता है तो ही हमारे पेट को पसंद आता है. अगर दिखने में अच्छा नहीं होगा तो फिर हमें पसंद नहीं आएगा. भले ही टेस्ट उसका अच्छा हो, कोई टेस्ट भी नहीं करेगा. तो आपको मेक श्योर करना है कि उसका टेक्सचर परफेक्ट आए. Now we will add without color. You can see it's little bit light brown, changing the color. So we will add milk. We will not put directly, we will shake well and put milk little bit. No.
Today the occasion is like we gonna celebrate Norta by making this Shiro. Is a Sukun ka Shiro.
First day here. First day of Navratri Norta. We will make again on Aatham.
We can try lapsi. What you said?
Let's try. I haven't tried, but we can try.
Yeah, we can explore lapsi. Wheat load.
So you guys will think it's too dry now, but it is not. I need to add sugar, so that will distract the ghee again. So after putting the milk, sorry I forgot to let you know, if you want to add some dry fruits, you can add. You can add kesar as well for the texture. Tulsi, I could not find tulsi here in Australia.
Cardamom.
So I'm not putting tulsi inside, but you definitely guys put tulsi for the smell and taste. Elaichi as well if you like, and some dry fruits at this stage. Now we need to wait for cook well. Then after we can add sugar. Wait for again 5 minutes and it's ready. So we don't like, I added sugar now. So 1 sugar.
We can see the burnt part of the
well. So you will see now.
It's getting burnt too.
Yeah.
Well too. And you can enjoy the vibes of Garma Garam Shiro.
Yes. It was thick before and now you can see it's very thin. But once it well cooked, again it will make good texture. guys are seeing this, now it's again thick and it is almost been ready to eat. I will wait another 2-3 minutes and let's try. So guys, finally our Suji ka Halwa is ready to eat.